Is HTML tables good for accessibility? In recent discussions about web design, a hot topic has emerged. Are HTML tables good for accessibility? As more people create websites, understanding how to make them accessible is essential. Many beginners are eager to learn how to structure their pages effectively. With the rise of inclusive design, this question is particularly relevant now. HTML tables can be accessible if used correctly, but they often pose challenges when misused. For those just starting with HTML, knowing how to create accessible tables is vital. This ensures that web pages can be used by everyone, including those who relying on assistive technologies like screen readers. Tables are meant to display tabular data. When structured properly with semantic HTML elements such as table, table head, table body, table row, table header, and table data, they provide meaningful information. This structure allows screen readers to interpret the data effectively. Using proper table headers and scope attributes helps assistive technologies connect data cells to their headers. This makes the content easier to understand for users with disabilities. However, using tables purely for layout instead of data presentation can hurt accessibility. Layout tables confuse screen readers and hinder keyboard navigation. This can make it challenging for users with visual impairments or mobility issues to navigate content. Instead of using tables for layout, it is recommended to use cascading style sheets for that purpose. This maintains accessibility while allowing for creative designs. To improve table accessibility, beginners should follow a few key practices. First, use semantic table elements correctly to define headers and data cells. Second, avoid using tables for page layout. Third, add captions to describe the table's purpose. Fourth, test keyboard navigation to ensure users can move through table cells logically. Finally, consider using accessible rich internet applications attributes if necessary to clarify relationships in complex tables. Accessibility guidelines, such as the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, stress the importance of content that is perceivable and operable. Well-structured HTML tables support these principles when used appropriately. Following these guidelines helps make web pages inclusive for users relying on screen readers or keyboard navigation. In summary, HTML tables can be good for accessibility when used to present data with proper semantic markup. They should not be used for layout. Beginners should focus on learning correct table structure and testing with assistive tools. This will help create engaging, accessible web pages that everyone can enjoy.